Use curtain tiebacks. Using curtains, if done properly, is a great way of giving character to your room in one way or another. Curtains create a certain homey ambience to every room. You can even manipulate the natural light that enters a room with the use of curtains. There are many ways how to use curtains. You can simply let the drapery down all day long, and get a bit claustrophobic every once in a while. Or you can make use of curtain tiebacks, which definitely adds to the cozy feel to a room, gets rid of the claustrophobic atmosphere, and provides additional personal character to your room. If you think that using curtain tiebacks is the better option between the two, then continue reading this article, as this article talks about how to use curtain tiebacks properly. Pick the material that you're going to use as your curtain tiebacks. Of course, aside from your personal taste, this will all depend on the kind of drapery that you have. The most basic material to use as curtain tieback is the same material used in your curtain. Some may see this bit boring, but some may find it classy. Again, it all boils down to your personal preference. Or you can use a different design and color of fabric. Should you choose this alternative, remember to pick the material that would best accentuate your curtain. It's akin to picking the right necktie to a dress shirt, but now, you're only dealing with a larger piece of cloth, that is, your curtain. Whatever fabric you choose at the end of the day, just make sure to have it trimmed and stitched at its edges to give it a nice finished look. Measure your curtain tieback. Not only do your curtains have to be measured, your curtain tiebacks should be measured likewise for its wonders to work. In measuring your tiebacks, do not make it too tight that you would have a hard time each time you tie your curtain back. Give your curtains a breathing space. You determine the correct measurement by holding your curtain with your hands, and measure its radius. Whatever measurement you get, just double it. This way, there will still be enough room for your curtain to flow down beautifully even when tied back. Install hooks on each side of the window. The hooks would hold the curtain tiebacks in place securely. Before boring holes on your wall, determine first where to bore them. Measure your curtain lengthwise. Divide the figure that you get by 5, and multiply it by 3. This simply means that the position of the tiebacks should be approximately 3/5 of your curtain's height to give it a classic Victorian look. Do your measuring job properly to get the symmetrical effect that you want to achieve. After the measuring part, proceed with boring the needed holes with the use of a drill, electric preferably. Screw the hooks on the holes. Plastic fillers would be a great idea if you want the hooks to be sturdily attached to the walls. Hook the curtain tie backs, and tie your curtains back.